Good morning, dear students. I think all are fine by the grace of God. Today we are going to the next topic, that is linear equation. Last few classes we discussed about the factorization. What is factorization? A product of two or more expressions, numbers and factors. Okay. So let us recall that factorization in a little bit, then we are going to learn linear equation. Okay. First, I write the quadratic polynomial x square plus 6x plus 9. Here 9 is a square number. So, you use the identity method. I told last number and the first number you observe, it is a square number means you go to the identity. For example, x square plus 5x plus 6. 6 is not a square number. Then you go to the another method. What is the method? What is the coefficient of x square? 1. 1 into you multiply with the constant term. 1 into 6 what? 6. Right here. You will get you find out the factors for 6 and the resultant factor, that means the summation of the factors should be the coefficient of x. Okay. 2 3s are 6. That is only 2 and 3 only the factors for 6 are, and 1 and 6, but 1 and 6 is not suitable for this sum. Okay. So, 2 3s are 6, then only you will get the resultant value 5. 2 plus 3 5. So, you go non-square number means you go for this method. Non-square number means you will go with this method. For square number, the last term is square number means you go to the identity. What identity is? A plus b the whole square. Okay, so it is right it in the form of x square plus here 6x is divided into 2ab, 2 into a is x into b. B is what? What is the square root of 9? 3. So, 3 is the b. B is 3. So, here 9 is written as 3 square. That is all. In the left hand side, what is the left hand side? A plus b the whole square. So, a is x plus b is 3, x plus 3 the whole square. That is all. The factors are x plus 3, x plus 3. X plus 3 the whole square means x plus 3 into x plus 3. That is the meaning for this factors. This type of polynomial means you go for this method. You will multiply the factors, you will get the constant term. You add the factors, you will get the coefficient of x term. That is the main concept in this sum. Okay. What is linear equation? I already told equation, you already learnt in the previous class, that means 7th standard, you learned the linear equation. What is linear equation? Last class we saw the quadratic equation, the quadratic polynomial. In this class we are going to discuss a linear equation. What is linear equation? X plus 7 equal to 10. It is a linear equation or not? Yes, it is a linear equation. Why, sir, it is linear equation? You observe the variable, the power should be 1. That is the main and the foremost concept for this linear equation. The power should be 1. So, it is called linear equation. Sir, x square plus 7 equal to 10. It is a linear equation or not? Tell. It is not linear equation. Why, sir? The power is 2. The x square, the x power is x raised 2. So, it is called quadratic equation. What? Quadratic. I already told 1 means linear, 2 means quadratic and 3 means cubic. I already told linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation. So, power 3 means cubic equation. So, that means 1 the power as 1 the power as 1 means you will you will get only one solution. If the power is 2 means you will get 2 solution. If the power is 3 means you will get 3 solution. Okay. For this equation x plus 7 equal to 10. We are studied linear equation in a transposition method. X plus 7 equal to 10. Here the first and foremost step for this equation is x plus 7 equal to 10. You will remove that, that means the plus 7 goes to that right side, plus 7 goes to right side, x plus 7 goes to right side. This is the first step. You will send it the like terms into the like terms. This is variable term, this is constant term. So, it is unlike terms. So, it is goes to like terms. So, plus 7 goes to right side means it change transposition. So, x equal to the plus 7 goes to that side 10 minus 7. What? 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is what? 3. So, x equal to 3. Okay. So, the first step is you will send it the like terms to the like terms. That means to the right hand side. The sign should be changed. Plus 7 means minus 7. Into 7 means divide. Already you know. Divide means multiply. Multiply means divide. Minus means plus. Plus means minus. Here x minus 7 means the minus 7 goes to that side means plus 7. Okay. Understood? So, in this way you will find out the solution for linear equation in one variable. Only one variable is there. Only one variable. In two variable means in the higher classes you study. Okay. The first problem, 4 into 3x minus 1 equal to 80. 4 into 3x minus 1 equal to 80. So, observe this question. 4 is in the common for this product. 4 is common to this product. Common means 4 is the multiple of this product. Okay. The first step is 4 into 3x, next 4 into minus 1. That is one method. Next, another method is 4 is in the multiplication. 4 goes to that side means it is divide. 4 into 3x. 4 into minus 1. So, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Okay, equal to 80. 4 into 3x, 12x. 12x minus 4 equal to 80. Minus 4, here is 12x, minus 4 equal to 80. Minus 4 goes to that side. So, plus. So, 12x equal to 80 plus 4. So, 12x equal to 80 plus 4, 84. So, x equal to 84 divided by 12. So, in 12 table you cancel or simplify this step. In 2 table 12 how many times? 6 times. in 2 table 8 4 times, in 4 table 2 times, so 42 by 6. In 6 table 42 how many times? 7 times. So x equal to 7. So x equal to 7. So solution for this linear equation is x equal to 7. This is one method. This is traditional method, 4 into 3x, 4 into minus 1. Another method is, I already told, 4 is in the multiplication, 4 goes to that side, that is one method. So 3x minus 1 equal to 80 divided by 4. Okay, next 3x minus 1 equal to 80 divided by 4 what? 20. So 20. Next step, minus 1 goes to that side, 3x equal to 20 minus 1. The minus 1 goes to plus 1, 20 plus 21. 3x equal to 21. So here 3 is in the multiplication, 3 goes to divide, x equal to 21 divided by 3. In 3 table 21 how many times? 7 times. Same answer. Which one is suitable for you, you select. Okay. So observe this question, it is in the fraction. So you carefully do the sum. The first step is arrange the like terms in one side and another side. Okay, here 1 by 6 is in the number. So 1 by 6 goes to that side. Y 3y, it is a like terms. Y minus 3y is a like term. So first you write y minus 3y equal to 2 by 3, the plus 1 by 6 goes to that side, minus 1 by 6. Okay, next step, y minus 3y minus 2y. Y is the coefficient of 1, 1 is a smaller number, here minus 3. So 3 bigger number sign as a minus, so minus 3 minus 1 2. So minus 2y, not 2y. Okay, minus 2y equal to, here 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Already I told in the lower classes, in the 8th standard also, you should arrange a denominator in a common denominator, then only we will minus the fractions. Here 3 is there, here 6 is there. So which number should be multiplied for getting the 6 here, this fraction? 2. The LCM for 3 and 6 is 6. So we need another 2 to multiply this fraction. So 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 minus 1 by 6. Already 6 is there. We need 3 into 2 6. Okay. So minus 2y equal to 2 into 2 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Understood? 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6. Next minus 2y, combine the 6 into 1, 4 minus 1 divided by 6, 4 minus 1 3. So minus 2y equal to 3 by 6. Cancel it on one table. How many times 3? 1 times. It is 2 times. You should not cancel with 2 table. Why? 3 does not come. Okay. Next, minus 2y equal to 1 by 2. Here, minus 2 is in the product. So minus 2 is in the product. It goes to that side. So y equal to 1 by 2 minus 2. 1 by 2 minus 2. Minus 2 goes to divide. Minus 2 goes to divide. Already 2 is there. So 2 into minus 2. Okay. Next, y equal to 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus minus. So 1 by minus 4. Next step, y equal to minus 1 by 4. So the value for this linear equation is y equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 1 by 4, y equal to minus 1 by 4. This step is very very important. Minus 2 goes to this divide 2 into minus 2. Don't write minus 2 in the numerator. It is in the product, so it goes to divide only. Okay, so this is a very very important step. Y equal to minus 4. For the LCM means you should write this type of method. Okay, first arrange the like terms, then you simplify, then you will get the answer. First arrange the like terms. Okay, observe this question. 1 by 3 minus x by 3 equal to 7x divided by 12 plus 5 by 4. Okay, first observe, here 3 is in the denominator, here also 3, here also 3. So, to combine 3, 1 minus x. Here 7x divided by 12, 4 is 12 is also the 12 is multiple of 4. So, how many times? 3 times. 4 3s are 12. So, 4 into 3. Here also you put 3, here also you. To equalize the denominator, so only we multiply 3 divided by 3. Okay. So, 1 minus 6, 1 minus x divided by 3 equal to 7x divided by 12 plus 15 divided by 12. Okay. Here 1 minus x divided by 3, here 7x plus 15 divided by common 12. So, in this step multiply the cross, you should multiply cross multiplication, here also cross multiplication. So, 12 into this term, 3 into this term. Okay, right, 12 into 1 minus x equal to 3 into 7x plus 15. Okay, next you multiply the 12 into this side, 12 into 1, 12 into minus x, 12x equal to 3 into 7x, 21x, 3 into 15, 45. Okay, next arrange the like terms. One part, one side x, another side is constants. Here minus 12x goes to that side, 45 goes to left hand side. Okay, I write once again 12 minus 12x equal to 21x plus 45. So, 12x goes to this side and 45 goes to this side. Okay, 12 minus 45. Why? 45 is the plus, so it goes by minus 45. Here 21x same, minus 12x goes to that side, so plus 12x. So, 12 minus 45 what? 12 minus 45 is what? 45 minus 12 is what? 33. Bigger number sign is minus, so minus 33. Next step, 21 plus 12, 33x. So, 33x I write in the left hand side, it is the right hand side, minus 33. So, x equal to 33 goes to divide, minus 33 divided by 33. So, x equal to 33 cancel 1 times. So, x equal to minus 1. So, the solution for this equation is x equal to minus 1. So, this question 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus into x minus 3 divided by 5 equal to minus 1. Okay. So, here what is the LCM for 4 and 5? 20. Okay, 20 is the LCM. 4 5s are what is 20. So, or in the translation method, 5 into this term or 4 into this term and next 4 into 5. Cross multiplication or LCM. Both the methods are easy only. Okay, so I use cross multiplication. 5 into 3x minus 2, 4 minus 4 into x minus 3 divided by 4 into 5. That is the important step. First you multiply this side and 4 5, okay, equal to minus 1. Okay, 5 into 3x 15x, 5 into 2 minus 10, minus 4 into, you are also right, minus 4 into x, minus 4x, minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12 divided by 20 equal to minus 1. The next step, 20 goes to that side, it is the division, so goes to that side. So 15x equal to minus 10 minus 4x plus 12 equal to minus 20. Why? 20 goes to that side. Okay, or first you write minus 1 into 20, next step you write minus 20. Okay, here you should simplify only like terms. Minus 10 plus 12. What is the simplified answer? Minus 10 plus 12. Minus 10 plus 12. Bigger number sign is plus, so answer comes in plus. 12 minus 10, 2. Here 15x minus 4x. It is also positive number, bigger number. 15 minus 4, 11. 11x. Here plus 12 equal to minus 20. Okay, next step, plus 2 goes to that side. 11x equal to minus 20, plus 2 goes to that side, minus 2, not plus 2, minus 2. So 11x equal to minus 2 minus 2, minus 20 minus 2, minus 22. Why? Both the numbers are minus, so you should add 20 plus 2, 22, write same symbol. Okay, minus 22. 11x, next step, x equal to 11 goes to that side, minus 22 divided by 11. Why? 11 is in the product, so it goes to divide. So x equal to, in 11 table 22 how many times? 2 times. So x equal to minus 2. Okay, sum m plus n divided by 3m plus 15 equal to 5 by 3. So this type of question you should go only in cross multiplication method. That's all, cross multiply only. 3 into m plus n, 5 into 3m plus 15. Okay, next step, you know 3 into m, 3 into n 9, here 5 into 3m, 5 into 15. Okay, so 3m plus 3 into 9, 27, 5 into 3m, 15m, 5 into 15, 75. Next step, what is the next step? Arrange the like terms in one side and another side. First, here 27 goes to that side, 15m goes to this side. Okay, or you choose any method. 3m goes to that side, 75. Okay, so 3m goes to that side means minus 3m. Yes, 15m minus 3m. 75 goes to this side means minus 75 plus 27. Okay, here minus 75 plus 27, different signs you should minus. 75 minus 27, 15 minus 7, 8, here 6 minus 2, 4, 48, minus 48. Why? Bigger number sign minus, so equal to 15m minus 3m, 12m. So next step, 12m equal to minus 48. Next step, 12 is in the multiplication, m equal to minus 48 divided by 12. So you cancelling on 2 table, 6 times 2, 4. So minus 24 by 6. In 6 table 24 how many times? 4 times. So 6 4s are 24. So the value is, the solution is m equal to minus 4. So in this way you have to do the linear equation in one variable. One variable means here also m, here also m, not in the different variable. Okay. So in 7th standard you studied only basics only. In 8th standard little more higher linear equation. Okay. So you should practice the book exercise and also the homework. Okay. If you have any doubt in this class, please contact me. Thank you, students.